Section G7A. Practical circuits. Section G7A. Power supplies, schematic symbols. Question: what is the function of a power supply bleeder resistor? The correct answer is B. It discharges the filter capacitors when power is removed. Question: which of the following components are used in a power supply filter network? The correct answer is C. Capacitors and inductors. Question: which type of rectifier circuit uses two diodes and a center tap transformer? The correct answer is A. Full wave. Question: what is characteristic of a half-wave rectifier in a power supply? The correct answer is A. Only one diode is required. Question: what portion of the AC cycle is converted to DC by a half-wave rectifier? The correct answer is B. 180 degrees. Question: what portion of the AC cycle is converted to DC by a full-wave rectifier? The correct answer is D. 360 degrees. Question: what is the output waveform of an unfiltered full-wave rectifier connected to a resistive load? The correct answer is A. a series of DC pulses at twice the frequency of the AC input. Question: which of the following is characteristic of a switch-mode power supply as compared to a linear power supply? The correct answer is C. High-frequency operation allows the use of smaller components. Question: which symbol in figure G7 1 represents a field effect transistor? The correct answer is C. Symbol 1. Question: which symbol in figure G7 1 represents a Zener diode? The correct answer is D. Symbol 5. Question: which symbol in figure G7 1 represents an NPN junction transistor? The correct answer is B. Symbol 2. Section G7B. Digital circuits, amplifiers, and oscillators. Question: what is the purpose of neutralizing an amplifier? The correct answer is B. to eliminate self-oscillations. Question: which of these classes of amplifiers has the highest efficiency? The correct answer is D. Class C. Question: which of the following describes the function of a two-input and gate? The correct answer is B. Output is high only when both inputs are high. Question: in a Class A amplifier, what percentage of the time does the amplifying device conduct? The correct answer is A. 100%. Question: how many states does a 3-bit binary counter have? The correct answer is C. 8. Question: what is a shift register? The correct answer is A. a clocked array of circuits that passes data in steps along the array. Question: which of the following are basic components of a sine wave oscillator? The correct answer is D. a filter and an amplifier operating in a feedback loop. Question: how is the efficiency of an RF power amplifier determined? The correct answer is B. divide the RF output power by the DC input power. Question: what determines the frequency of an LC oscillator? The correct answer is C. the inductance and capacitance in the tank circuit. Question: which of the following describes a linear amplifier? The correct answer is B. an amplifier in which the output preserves the input waveform. Question: for which of the following modes is a Class C power stage appropriate for amplifying a modulated signal? The correct answer is B. FM. Section G7C. Transceiver design, filters, oscillators, digital signal processing, DSP. Question: what circuit is used to select one of the sidebands from a balanced modulator? The correct answer is B. Filter. Question: what output is produced by a balanced modulator? The correct answer is D. Double sideband modulated RF. Question: what is one reason to use an impedance matching transformer at a transmitter output? The correct answer is B. To present the desired impedance to the transmitter and feed line. Question: how is a product detector used? The correct answer is D. Used in a single sideband receiver to extract the modulated signal. Question: which of the following is characteristic of a direct digital synthesizer, DDS? The correct answer is D. Variable output frequency with the stability of a crystal oscillator. Question: which of the following is an advantage of a digital signal processing, DSP, filter compared to an analog filter? The correct answer is A. A wide range of filter bandwidths and shapes can be created. Question: what term specifies a filter's attenuation inside its passband? The correct answer is A. Insertion loss. Question: which parameter affects receiver sensitivity? The correct answer is D. All these choices are correct. Question: what is the phase difference between the I and QRF signals that software-defined radio, SDR, equipment uses for modulation and demodulation? The correct answer is B. 90 degrees. Question: what is an advantage of using IQ modulation with software-defined radios, SDRs? The correct answer is B. All types of modulation can be created with appropriate processing. Question: which of these functions is performed by software in a software-defined radio, SDR? The correct answer is D. All these choices are correct.